Okay, Unit 2, Lesson 3. This unit's purpose. And this is really important that we talk about the purpose of this lesson so you know, like, what do I want you to get out from it? What are you supposed to be really grasping from it? So that's really important to know. Like, why? Why are we learning this? All right, so if you click on that link, it's going to give you Unit 2, Lesson 3, the purpose of this unit. And really, your job is just to read this so you know exactly what are the essential questions like that we're getting from this unit. Like, it's not just about like facts or like who the characters are or what's the theme. It's going to be really important that you know the answers kind of these essential questions. These two questions are really important. How do friends and family influence our decisions, and what does it mean to accept yourself? There's not one right answer to either one of these. That's on purpose. There are many, many ways that these two questions can be answered, and these questions are going to be kind of common themes that are going to be found in our next on this article and in this text. So we're really trying to be able to answer these questions to the best of our ability by the end of reading our text. So at the very end of this unit, you're going to be asked to answer at least one of these questions using as much detail as possible and hopefully using a creative way and a creative manner. So start thinking as you read, which one of these questions would you want to answer in depth? And how would you answer these questions? So, like, how do friends and family influence our decisions? And what does it mean to accept yourself? So, those are the two questions that are really going to be kind of guiding our work throughout this unit. And then a skill that we're really going to focus on in this unit is making an inference. You may be already familiar with making an inference. If you are, then it's great. It's going to be just additional practice. If you're not, that's fine too. But it's going to be a good time to learn it. So when you make an inference, you will try to figure out something that isn't directly stated in the text by using clues from the text. So sometimes the authors don't straight out tell you especially how characters feel. And sometimes you have to kind of guess. You have to make an inference based off of the clues. So, for example, you could guess that someone is angry by their actions. So, a lot of times you're going to have to make inferences about sometimes like what the main idea is, how characters are feeling, like why or what the author thinks about something. Like the author may not straight out say I think this in my text, but you may be able to infer how they feel about something based on what they've wrote. So this is a skill we're really going to be focusing on in this unit as well, is making an inference.